She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipe. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, we're going to make a quick and easy yet still flavorful and tasty macaroni pasta salad. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this delightful pasta salad that is ready for any time. It's quick and easy to whip up. All the flavors go together so well and it's interchangeable, so you can make it your own. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell, please, so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we have a version of a macaroni pasta salad. This is a creamy summer pasta salad that is fresh. It's slightly tangy, but it has an abundance of flavors and different textures throughout the pasta. It pairs great with anything, perfect for any meal, anytime, any place. All of the flavors go together so well with the fresh vegetables, as well as that dainty little pasta that is fun to eat with every bite. It's delicious, guys. Certainly try it. So hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love a good summertime pasta salad. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, please, and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.